Napag-aralan na natin kung paano mag-solve ng quadratic equation using extracting the square root. Ngayon, ang ating pag-aaralan naman ay kung paano mag-solve ng quadratic equation by factoring. Example. Paano nga ba tayo nagpa-factoring? Maraming mga iba't ibang klase ng pagpa-factor. Pwede tayong gumamit ng greatest common factor. We have difference of 2 square, sum and difference of 2 cubes, which is imposible naman na magkakaroon tayo ng ganon since we are dealing with quadratic equation. And of course, factoring trinomial. Based dito sa example natin sa number 1, we have factoring trinomial. So, kung naaalala ninyo, tinuro na ito nung grade 8 teachers ninyo dati. So, paano nga ba ito sinosolve? So, bring down natin ang x squared minus 4x plus 3. Hindi ko isasama yung 0 for a while para madali natin siyang mapa-factor. Ano nga ba ang factors ng 3? So, ang factors ng 3 ay 3 times 1. Dito, kailangan nating makuha ang numerical coefficient sa middle term, which is negative 4. Para makuha natin yung negative 4, what do you think will be the sign of our 3 and 1? Dapat, ang magiging sign nila ay both negative. The same sign, which means we add. Then, copy the sign of the biggest number when we absolute it. So, which is negative 3, kaya magiging negative 4. Ngayon, pwede na tayo mag-factor. Since we are dealing with the literal coefficient x, yun ang gagamitin natin. Ngayon, yung nakuha nating factor sa while ago is or negative 3. Kakopy ko lang siya dito. And negative 1. Pwede silang magbaliktad, ha? Pwedeng dito yung negative 1, pwedeng dito yung negative 3. It doesn't matter. Kasi nga, sabi nga kapag tayo ay nagta-times, example, we have 6 times 3, the answer is 18. 3 times 6 is also 18. Kaya ang ibig sabihin, kahit pagbaliktaran natin to, hindi magbabago yung sagot. Ngayon, check natin kung yung factor ba natin ay tama. Paano natin gagawin? We just have to multiply the last term, which is negative 3 times negative 1. The answer is positive 3. Kaya tama ang factor natin. Ngayon, kunin na natin yung mga solutions for our quadratic equation. Gamitin muna natin yung first factor, which is x minus 3. X minus 3, mamaya na yung isa. So, x minus 3 equals 0. Mag-add tayo lang equals 0. So, para makuha natin ang value ni x, kailangan nating ilipat si negative 3 sa kabila. Kaya x equals positive 3. And this is our first solution. Nilipat ko lang yung negative 3, kaya nagiging positive. Ngayon, kunin naman natin yung pangalawang solution. Para makuha yun, gagamitin natin yung pangalawang factor na ginamit natin, which is x minus 1 na nakuha natin kanina. X minus 1 equals 0. Para makuha natin ang value ng x, transpose negative 1, bring down x equals transpose negative 1, magiging positive 1. And this is our final answer. Kung gusto mong i-check yung sagot natin kung tama ba, gagawin lang natin is check muna natin kung tama ba ang x equals 3. So, para ma-check siya, we just have to copy the original equation, itong tanong kanina, which is x squared minus 4x plus 3 equals 0. Ngayon, ang gagawin natin, papalitan lang natin yung value ng x ng 3 doon sa nakuha natin. Lahat ng x na nakikita ninyo. Kaya magiging 3 squared minus 4, substitute 3 sa x. Kaya magiging, yan, bring down positive 3 equals 0. 3 times 3, the answer is 9. Negative 4 times 3, the answer is negative 12. Bring down positive 3 equals 0. Nine minus 12, since different sign, magma-minus tayo. 12 minus 9, the answer is negative 3. So, bakit negative? Copy the sign of the biggest number kapag naka-absolute. So, which is 12. So, bring down positive 3 equals 0. So, negative 3 plus 3, the answer is 0 equals 0. Therefore, tama ang ating first answer, which is x equals 3. Solve naman natin yung pangalawa nating solution, which is x equals 1. Buburahin ko lang tong checking natin para magkaroon tayo ng space. Okay. X equals 1. Copy the original equation. X squared minus 4x plus 3 equals 0. Anong gagawin natin? Papalitan lang natin yung value ng x ng 1. 1 squared minus 4 times 1 plus 3 equals 0. 1 times 1 is 1. Negative 4 times 1, the answer is negative 4. Bring down plus 3 equals 0. 1 minus 4, the answer is negative 3 is negative 3. Bring down plus 3 equals 0. Negative 3 plus 3, the answer is 0. Equals 0. Since equal sila, therefore, tama ang solution natin for x equals 1. For our second example, we have 4m squared minus 16. Kung napapansin ninyo, we have two terms. And then, one of them have a negative sign. All numerical coefficients are perfect square. And also yung literal coefficient can be divided into 2. Therefore, ang gagamitin nating factoring ay tinatawag na difference of two squares. Paano ba yung sinosolve? Ganito lang po yun. Get the square root of 4. What is the square root of 4? That is 2. Maglalagay rin tayo sa kabila. We have m squared. So, 2 divide 2, the answer is 1. So, therefore, tig-isang m sila. The first one is positive, the second one is negative. Okay lang kahit pagbaliktarin nyo. Yung una, gawin nyo negative, yung pangalawa, positive. Lagi siyang ganyan. So, the square root of 16 is 4. At ito na ang factored form for our second question. Para makuha naman natin yung mga solution nila, gagamitin natin yung unang factor na nakuha natin, which is 2m plus 4. Lalagyan lang natin ng equals 0. Bring down 2m equals, si positive 4, kailangan natin siyang ilipat sa kabila. Kaya siya ay magiging negative 4. Divide both side by 2 sa yung katabi ng m. Kasi kailangan m lang yung matitira. Kaya kailangan nating i-divide. So, makaka-cancel. M na lang ang matitira. Equals negative 4 divide 2. The answer is negative 2. And this is our first solution. Hanapin naman natin yung pangalawang solution. Gagamitin natin yung pangalawang factor na nakuha natin. So 2m minus 4 equals 0. Bring down 2m equals, ilipat natin si negative 4 sa kabila, siya ay magiging positive 4. So, divide both side by 2 para makancel si 2. Bring down m equals 4 divide 2. The answer is 2. And this is our second solution. Kung gusto mong i-check itong sagot natin kung tama ba, the same as our previous example, gagawin lang natin, kukopyahin ko yung una nating solution, which is m equals negative 2. Copy the original equation. 4m squared minus 16 equals 0. Papalitan lang natin yung value ng m ng negative 2. Kaya magiging 4 negative 2 squared, copy negative 16 equals 0. Bring down 4. Negative 2 times negative 2 kasi naka-squared. The answer is positive 4. Bring down negative 16 equals 0. 4 times 4. The answer is positive 16. Bring down negative 16 equals 0. 16 minus 16. The answer is 0 equals 0. So, therefore, correct yung first factor natin. Yung first solution natin. To check if our second solution is correct, gawin lang natin yung same process. Buburahin ko lang to. Then, copy m equals 2. Copy the original equation. 4m squared minus 16 equals 0. Equate natin yung, substitute natin yung value ng m as 2. Palitan natin. Magiging 4 times 2 squared minus 16 equals 0. Bring down 4. 2 times 2. The answer is 4. Minus 16 equals 0. 4 times 4 is 16. Bring down negative 16 equals 0. 16 minus 16, the answer is 0. 4 times 4 is 16. Bring down negative 16 equals 0. 16 minus 16, the answer is 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 tama rin ang ating pangalawang solution. So for our third example, we have 25 minus 9b squared equals 0. Ngayon, isipin natin kung anong factoring ang gagamitin natin. Based dito sa example number 3, ang gagamitin natin ay difference of 2 square. Bakit? Kasi we have two terms. One of them have negative sign. All numbers are all perfect square. Yung variable natin, literal coefficient, can be divided into 2. So, the same thing din sa ginawa natin sa example number 2. Gawin lang din ang gagawin natin sa number 3. Una, lalagay tayo ng parentheses. First, get the square root of 25. What is the square root of 25? 5. Lagay natin sa parehas. Next, write negative, positive. Okay lang kahit baliktarin ninyo. Ngayon naman, what is the square root of 9? The answer is 3. Lalagyan din natin ng 3 yung kabila. Next, we have b squared. b squared divided by 2. The answer is b. Tig-isang b na lang sila. Kasi may dalawa, tig-isa na lang. And that is the factored form for our equation dito. Ngayon, kaya na nating isolve ang unang solution. Gamitin natin yung unang factoring na nakuha natin. So, 5 minus 3b equals 0. Ang goal natin dito, kailangan maiwan natin si 3b, ilipat si 5 sa kabila. Kailangan bilang yung matitira dito. Bring down negative 3b equals. Si positive 5, pag nilipat mo sa kabila, magiging negative 5. Divide both side by negative 3 para mawala si negative 3 dito. Ang matitira na lang ay b equals negative 5 divide negative 3. The answer is 5 over 3. And this is our first solution. For our second solution, the same thing lang yung gagawin natin. Gagamitin natin yung second na nakuha natin. Bring down 5 plus 3b equals 0. Bring down 3b. Hindi ko na sinulat yung positive kasi automatically positive na to. Equals. Si positive 5, pag tinranspose natin, magiging negative 5. Then divide both side by 3. Cancel. Ang matitira na lang ay b. Negative 5 divide 3. The answer is negative 5 over 3. And this is our second solution. Kung gusto nyo siyang i-check, gagawin nyo lang din yung ginawa natin dito sa second example. Pero, okay na to. Ito na yung mga sagot for our example number 3. Para naman sa example number 4, we have 3x squared minus 5x plus 2 equals 0. Ngayon, isipin natin kung anong factoring ang gagamitin natin. Kung napapansin ninyo, yung example number 4 is the same as sa example number 1 natin. Ang pinagkaiba lang ay yung example number 1 natin, ang numerical coefficient ng x squared ay 1. Dito sa example number 4 natin, meron na. So, itong yung solution natin for number 4 is kinda difficult ng konti from our first example. Gawin lang natin, bring down 3x squared minus 5x plus 2. Get the factors of 2, which is 2 times 1. 2 times 1 is 2. Then, dito ngayon, kailangan natin i-factor si 3. Ano nga bang mga factors ng 3? That is 3 times 1. Next na gagawin natin, magpa-factor na tayo. Copy 3, ilalagay natin dito sa unahan. And then yung 1, ilalagay natin dito. Since we are dealing with the variable x, x ang ilalagay natin. And we all know that the variable x has a numerical coefficient of 1, hindi na natin kailangan pang isulat yung 1. Kaya ayusin natin. Okay, next. Ang problema natin, saan kaya natin ilalagay si 2 at saka si 1? Dito kaya o dito? Ngayon, tatry natin ilagay natin si 2 dito. And then si 1 dito. I-check natin kung makakakuha tayo ng negative 5 gamit ang format na ito. So, 3 times 1, the answer is 3. 2 times 1, the answer is 2. Possible kaya na makakuha tayo ng negative 5 dito sa dalawa na to? Yes. So, para makakuha tayo ng negative 5, dapat parehas silang negative. So, magiging sign natin ay parehas negative. So, to check if our answer is correct, kung tama ba yung pagpa-factor natin, all we have to do is to multiply the last term. Negative 2 times negative 1, the answer is positive 2. Ibig sabihin, tama yung sagot natin. Pwede na natin kunin yung mga solutions for our fourth example. Gamitin natin yung first factor na nakuha natin. 3x minus 2 equals 0. Kailangan nating i-transpose si negative 2 sa kabila. Bring down 3x equals negative 2, transpose natin, magiging positive 2. Divide both side by 3. And our final answer is x equals 2/3. Kasi hindi pwedeng i-divide si 2 divide 3. Kaya ito yung magiging sagot natin. For our second solution, ang gagawin lang natin, buburahin ko lang to. Okay? Gamitin natin yung pangalawang factor na nakuha natin. X minus 1 equals 0. Bring down x equals. Si negative 2, itatranspose natin, magiging positive. And this is our final answer. Hindi na natin kailangan mag-divide both sides kasi wala naman ng number dito. Hindi kagaya nito. Ito na yung sagot natin for our fourth example. Kung gusto nyong i-check if our answer is correct, gagawin nyo lang yung kagaya ng ginawa natin dito. Copy the original equation. Palitan nyo yung value ng x sa nakuha natin. Which is ito. Para sa 5 example, or for our last example, we have m squared minus 7m equals 18. Ngayon, ano kaya ang gagamitin natin dito? na factoring para ma-solve natin ang mga solutions for our quadratic equation. Gagamit tayo ng factoring trinomial. Parehas lang din dito sa fourth example and first example. But the problem is, mali yung format niya. Kailangan naka-standard form. So, ililipat natin sa 18 sa kabila bago tayo magfa-factor. So, m squared minus 7m positive 18. Pag nilipat natin, magiging negative 18 equals 0. So, hindi ko na muna sinulat yung equal 0. Ngayon, let's factor this using factoring trinomial. Kunin natin yung factors ng 18, which is 18 times 1, we have 9 times 2, we have 6 times 3. Ngayon, sa tatlong factors na yan, saan kaya sa tingin ninyo yung possible na makakakuha tayo ng negative 7? Kapag minus mo o i-add mo. Yes, the answer is 9 at saka si 2. Ito kasi imposibleng makakakuha tayo ng 7 sa 18 at saka sa 1. The same thing as si 6 at saka si 3. Hindi tayo makakakuha ng 7. Kaya ang gagamitin natin, si 9 at saka si 2. Para makakuha tayo ng negative 7, ano kaya magiging sign ni 2 at saka ni 9? So, dapat si 9 ay magiging negative, si 2 ay magiging positive. Different sign, we subtract. Copy the sign of the biggest number when we absolute. Ngayon, pwede na tayong mag-factor. Since we are dealing with the literal coefficient m, variable m, yun ang gagamitin natin. Copy, negative 9, ilagay natin dito. Copy, positive 2, susulat natin dito. To check kung tama ba yung pagpa-factor natin, just multiply the last term. Negative 9 times positive 2, the answer is negative 18. So, tama ang sagot natin. Pwede na natin kunin ang mga solutions ng quadratic equation. Gamitin muna natin yung unang factor na nakuha natin, which is m minus 9. M minus 9. Lagyan natin ng equals 0. Bring down m equals. Si negative 9, pag tinranspose mo, magiging positive 9. And this is our final answer. For our second solution, just copy the second factor na nakuha natin. M plus 2 equals 0. Bring down m equals. Si positive 2, pag nilipat, magiging negative 2. And this is our final answer.